welcome to Meghna Study Career. May 14th Current Affairs. Firstly, who has been appointed as the chairman of CBSE? Manoj Ahuja was appointed as the new chairman of Central Board of Secondary Education on May 12, 2020. Manoj Ahuja is a 1990 batch IAS officer of Odisha cadre. He is currently serving as the Special Director at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration under the Department of Personnel and Training. The remaining CBSE board exams are likely to take place between July 1st and July 15th. Next, the Jal Jeevan mission aims to provide drinking water to every household. It aims to provide tap connection to every rural household. The central government has advised the state government to take up the mission to achieve two objects. This includes providing tap water connection to every rural household and also to create job opportunities to local people and migrants. Based on these orders, the Jammu and Kashmir administration and Haryana government have framed a plan to implement the mission by 2022. Next, who has become first Indian to win Fed Cup Heart Award? It is Sania Mirza became first Indian to win Fed Cup Heart Award 2020 for Asia Zone. She beats Indonesia's 16 years old Priska Madeline Nugro for this category and received the award for her successful return to the court after becoming a mother. International Tennis Federation headquarters is in London, which is in UK, and International Tennis Federation president name is David Haggerty. Next, the study conducted by Center for Research on Energy and Clean Air, the carbon dioxide emission in India falls in 4 decades. The study says that the carbon dioxide emission in India has reduced by 15% in March and by 30% in April. The study also says that the latest consumption of oil and gas coal has declined. It has fell by 30 million tons in 2019 to 2020 in the country as compared that of the previous year. The carbon dioxide emission also slowed down due to slowdown in coal-fired electricity generation. Next, the United States Center for Disease Control and Prevention announced 3.6 million United States dollars assistance to India in order to fight against COVID-19. Apart from CDC, there are other agencies of United States that have helped India through financial assistance. This includes United States Agency for International Development, Department of Health and Human Services Agency. These agencies together have provided 2.8 billion United States dollars of total assistance and 1.4 billion United States dollars for health. The Indian Council of Medical Research and National Center for Disease Control are to conduct a sero survey. This survey will help to learn about the prevalence of COVID-19 infection. A sero survey is testing of blood serum of individual and determine the presence of antibodies against COVID-19. 17 journalists from 14 countries have been named for Dutch Valley Freedom of Speech Award 2020 for showing outstanding commitment to human rights and freedom of expression in the media. Indian journalist Siddharth Vardarajan is one among them. What is Dutch Valley Freedom of Speech Award? Since 2015, German public news outlet Dutch Valley has presented the Freedom of Speech Award annually to people or initiative that has shown outstanding commitment to human rights and freedom of expression in the media. Next, who has won the first edition of World Chess Federation Chess.com online national cup against the USA? It is China. In the finals, China faced the USA, which ended in the draw with 2-2. China was adjudged the winner on the basis of its topping the points table in the round robin stage. Who is the cyclist banned by UCI for 4 years? He is Remy Di Gregorio. I'm unable to pronounce it. He is a French cyclist. He was banned by UCI for using a form of banned blood boosting hormone EPO, erythropoietin, and UCI stands for International Cycling Union. Headquarters is in Switzerland. and President is David Lapperton. Next, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced the details of the economic relief package for Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan amid COVID-19 pandemic. This economic package of 20 lakh crore has been announced with the prime objects of making India self-reliant. This package will intend to support farmers, laborers, fishermen, migrants and the industry of the country. Under this scheme, 6 measures are for micro, small, medium enterprises, 2 for employment provident funds, 2 for non-banking financial corporation, 2 for microfinance institutions, 1 to real estate, 1 to distribution companies, 3 related to tax, 1 for the contractors. Next, the Ministry of Culture has extended the nomination period for the Gandhi Peace Prize from 30th April to 15th June 2020 due to lockdown in the wake of COVID-19, and this Gandhi Peace Prize is instituted in the year 1995 on the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This annual award is given to individual and institution for their contribution towards social, economic and political transformation through non-violence and other Gandhian methods. Which state has become the first state to regulate the cultivation of crops? It is Telangana. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao issued a statement stating that the state will limit growing of paddy to 50 lakh acres. The government also limited the cultivation of another crop, red gram, to 10 lakh acres. Next, Indian Railways begins restoration of passengers train services will have only AC classes. Indian Railways makes Arogya Setu mobile app compulsory for passengers. That's all for today. Hope you guys like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more latest job updates and current affairs. Jai Hind.